is full of joy and fun. I like Christmas a lot. It is the happiness of sharing and giving. In this Christmas season, let's make some Christmas cake. I love cake very much, especially the Christmas cake or the plum cake. Yum! So let's make it without any delay. So to make the Christmas cake, we have to soak some dry fruits. So here I am adding some chopped cashews and chopped dates, some black raisins, tutti frutti almonds. Whatever dry fruits you have, you can put it. Along with this, I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar and soak everything with water. Let the dry fruits soak in the water for about 6 hours. At least for 1 hour. I'm soaking in the night and I'm going to make the cake in the morning. Let's prepare the cake batter. So to make the cake, I'm taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Along to this, I'm going to add some dry ginger powder and some cinnamon powder. 2 spoons of cocoa powder. This is optional. It actually gives you a nice brown color. Along with this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar powder. Now mix all the dry ingredients well. Once you mix the dry ingredients, now put the wet ingredients. See, after soaking this for full night, see how it has soaked. Now to the soaked dry fruits, add 1/4 cup of fresh curd. Make sure it is not sour. And add 1/4 cup of melted butter. If you want vanilla essence, you can add that in this stage. Now mix all the wet ingredients together. Once you're done mixing, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now mix everything together nicely. The speciality of the Christmas cake is it is fully loaded with nuts and fruits. So to this, add 1/4 cup of milk and mix it together well. The batter consistency should be like this. Now our Christmas cake batter is ready. It's time to bake. For that, I'm taking a pan and greasing with some oil. And then dust it with some flour. Once you dust it like this, you can add the cake batter. See how smooth consistency the cake batter is. After pouring the cake batter, gently tap the bowl like this to remove the extra bubbles in the batter. I am just trying some cupcakes with this batter. Now put the bowl in the preheated pan and top it with some nuts or fruit, whatever you have, and close the lid and let's bake it. After 40 to 45 minutes, our cake is ready. If you pick the toothpick like this, it has to come clearly like this. Along with that, I'm going to bake this little small cupcake. Let's see whether it is coming or not. it had came very good. Once the cake completely cools down, scrape the sides like this and put it in a plate. Wow, can you see how smoothly it is coming? And it looks very soft. See how spongy it is. Finally, our Christmas plum cake is ready. Now my yummy and delicious soft spongy cake is ready. I have an idea. Let's decorate it with some sugar powder. It looks so delicious. Now let's decorate it with some chocolate rolls. See, I'm having a small cone. On the top of the cone. Now delicious! See, this is a Christmas house and these two sticks are the road. There are two roads. I have baked a cupcake too. This is the first time I just tried it. It's spongy. Now we two are going to cut. He's not coming, so I will cut. I'll take off these two and cut them. The cake is yummy and delicious. Happy Christmas! Do try this in your home and enjoy your Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel